thing. This one is really hard.
Someone watching this got it right. Is that you?
Welcome to Hero! It's again a beautiful day. Sun is shining bright in Heroland. Let's go see what this sound was all about. But I thought it's quite a specific sound. Let's see if it works out. That's a lot of salt. Am I gonna eat it? Yeah, I'm gonna eat it. That's for you, baby. What's up, babies? This is again a thing I just bought for you to record it because I never put salt into my food. I'm just gonna pour it into this glass. I never eat salt and I just had like...
Someone watching this, maybe you are the winner of this sound. This means you made some real nice... Every sound is a new opportunity, and sometimes there's just really easy sound. So maybe next time you're watching this and you're winning the cash, it's just way more cash. We know that most of you are not getting it right. But don't worry, there's a new sound every time it gets guessed. So the next one might be you. Maybe next time I'm saying hi, it's actually you who guessed the sound correctly. So let's keep trying. Just as in life, it's all about keeping swimming.
To that.